Hey, we are back to the channel, Credit K YouTube channel, where we talk about business credit, personal credit, crypto, investing, everything finance related to help you level up in life and get you to the goal where you're trying to be. And today we're here with a quick video, a way to help you boost your credit score up 100 points. That's right. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, Credit K Credit Hack video. So, if you like this type of content, you see value, you want more of this, hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, because we're here daily, weekly, all the time with the content. So let's get into it. Credit Rent Boost. Credit Rent Boost is a great website, sort of like Experian Boost. Experian Boost takes any type of payment you've made with companies and reports it. But Credit Rent Boost exclusively does your rent payments. So whether you are renting a room for your parents, subletting a room from a stranger, have a roommate, got your own apartment, you're not getting those mortgages. There's not a mortgage, so you're not getting those payments reported. So you're not getting nothing reported. But if you use this service, you can get all those rents and lease and type of agreements that you have, living arrangements that you have reported. Even if you're sleeping on somebody's couch, you can have that drawn up by the person that has the couch in the place and list them as the landlord and have them report the rent monthly. So let's get into some pricing. So for one renter, $45, you can report the past 12 months. For $60, you can report the past 2 years. So if it's a great tool. If you don't have any credit history on your credit report, you can go back up to 12 years, have a 12-year trade line reporting, or have a 2-year trade line reporting only for $60. So that's amazing. That's a incredible deal. They report every 5th and 15th of the month. So depending on when you sign up for the service, those are the time frames where it gets reported. So as little as 2 weeks, 14 days, you can have these trade lines reporting for your rent that you're paying every month. Expedited service, you can get it done in 3 business days. If trying to get a car or a house and you need that extra credit boost, you can use the expedited service for an extra $100. What you would need from you or your landlord: photo ID, your lease. Not required, but to speed things up. If you rent from an individual, like I said, this is how you can do it. If you're just bumming on somebody's couch, paying them $50 a month, get their photo ID, answer some quick questions over the phone call. If you rent from a management company, apartment complex, they just call and verify that you are getting some stuff reported. So, it's very legit. You don't have to worry about it being something that's not going to report or not going to be legit or not going to be able to help you or not. They are doing their due diligence on their end to make sure that you are actually renting a place. So they, want credible people to sign up for their services. So don't be out here trying to scam if you don't have any type of living arrangements going on. But most of you guys do. If you got access to this YouTube channel, if you got access to me right now, I hope you got some type of living arrangement, some type of situation going on. And if you're not, you need to worry about the wrong thing, worry about credit, you worry about the wrong thing right now. But let's go into some more facts here. They, like I said, they report to TransUnion and Equifax. They do not report to Experian at this time. You can, like I said, you can sublease, report past addresses. So if you move to a new address, you can go back and report those previous addresses where you lived. Like I said, here's credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax. See it right there for yourself. How much my credit score increased. Like I said, that all depends on, your credit profile now. Now, you guys, if you are above a 680, definitely in the 700s, this service may not be for you. Now, unless you got there by getting the AU and you really don't have any other trade lines. But if you have a solid profile and you're up on the 700s, this service may not be for you. It actually hurts your credit score by adding a new trade line. So just be mindful that, if you're just trying to get to a 750 or 800, this trade line definitely will not help you. But if you are below a 650, below a 675, definitely this will help you add into a mix. It will be considered a installment trade line. So to give you a good mix outside of credit cards, if you don't have a car loan or anything like that, it'll be a great mix. Here's the documents you need to get started. Like I said, you just need maybe like a lease from a place or some type of agreement from where you're renting the place out or renting the room out from. And does my ID have to match the address? No, your address does not have to match your ID. So like I said, if you just move, of course, your address on your ID is not going to match. So you don't have to worry about that. They're not too stringent on those things. Now, if you pay rent, but my name is not on the lease agreement, can I still be able to know? Unfortunately, your name has to be on the agreement. So make sure your name is on the agreement. Definitely a lot of ways to get your name on an agreement. Should I let my landlord or management company know that I enrolled? Yes, you should. Definitely let everybody know because they're going to get some information sent to them asking, are you even renting a place? So definitely let your landlord know what you got going on. And it could be an extra service revenue service for your apartment complex because they could, help build other people's credit by reporting their rent. So, and they can charge extra money. So you could present that to your apartment complex and, they may give you a little bit of commission for providing the idea for them. Or you can just go around to different, people in your apartment and say, hey, I can build your credit score by reporting your rent, pay me certain XYZ. Credit sub service. We're all about making money here on Credit K YouTube channel, man. We take it to credit, start businesses, and make more money because we're about that. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. That's credit rent boost. Go ahead and enroll now. Tell them Credit K sent you over and get that rent and lease and room and couch payments reported. Aight.